If you want to work from home in 2026, earn a better salary, and you don't have a degree, this video is for you. Because many South Africans think remote jobs are only for people with degrees or very technical skills. That's not true anymore. If you feel stuck because the jobs around you don't pay well enough, or you are tired of long commutes to work and back, that leaves you with no time and no energy to do anything. This video will help you understand which remote jobs South Africans can actually get in 2026, even without a degree. If you are watching this right now and you haven't subscribed yet, take a second and hit that subscribe button, guys. Every week I share practical South African focused career advice that helps you find better job opportunities and earn more money. And when you subscribe, you are also helping someone else who needs this information but hasn't found it yet. Now let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to understand about remote jobs in 2026 is this. Companies care more about what you can do than where you study. They want people who can do the work, communicate clearly, and show up every day. That's why many remote jobs don't ask for a degree anymore. So if you've been telling yourself that you can't work remotely because you don't have a degree, that belief is holding you back. It's time to let it go, guys. The first remote job South Africans can get in 2026 without a degree is customer support work. Many companies overseas hire remote support agents to help customers through email, chat, and sometimes phone calls. What matters here is how well you communicate, how patient you are, and how you handle problems. If you can explain things clearly and stay calm, this type of work is a strong starting point. These jobs often pay better than local customer service jobs, especially when you are paid in foreign currency. And once you gain experience, it becomes easier to move into better paying roles. The second job that's growing fast is virtual assistant work. Virtual assistants help businesses with admin tasks like managing emails, scheduling meetings, updating systems, and keeping things organized. So, if you are good with details, deadlines, and planning, this kind of work can suit you very well. You don't need a degree for this. You need to show that you are reliable and can work on your own. Many South Africans already do similar work in offices, but don't realize that they can do it remotely for international companies. The third remote job South Africans can get without a degree is digital marketing support. Again, this doesn't mean you need to be an expert. Many businesses need help posting content, replying to messages, scheduling posts, sending emails, and checking basic results. If you enjoy working online and you are willing to learn new tools, this is a good option. You can start small, learn as you go, and grow into better roles over time. What matters most is consistency and willingness to improve. The fourth remote job that's very realistic is data and admin support work. Because many companies need help cleaning data, updating customer records, checking information, and keeping systems organized. If you are accurate, careful, and comfortable using spreadsheets or systems, this work can be a good fit for you. These jobs may not sound exciting, but companies pay for them because mistakes cost money. If you are someone who pays attention to detail, this can be a stable remote income. The fifth remote job South Africans can get in 2026 without a degree is tech support or junior IT support. You don't need to be a software developer for this. Many companies need people to help users with login issues, software issues, basic setups, or admin problems. If you are good with computers and you enjoy helping people solve problems, this is a good option for you. Many people learn these skills through short courses, online tutorials, or hands-on experience. What matters is that you can explain problems and solutions clearly. Now, I want you to understand something important. Remote work is not easier than office work. It just works differently. When you work remotely, companies expect you to manage your time, respond properly, and take responsibility. No one is watching over your shoulder. That's why reliability matters so much. If you can show that you are dependable, communicate well, and finish your work on time, you become very valuable as a remote worker. Another mistake many people make is trying to apply for every remote job they see. That usually leads to frustration and burnout. Instead of doing that, you should choose 1 or 2 remote roles that fit your strengths and focus on those. Learn what these jobs need. Improve your skills slowly. Apply with intention, not desperation. Your CV for remote work also needs to be clear. Employers want to see that you can work on your own, communicate well, and take responsibility. If your CV doesn't show that, you struggle to get responses. And finally, patience matters. Remote jobs often take longer to land because you're competing with people from many countries. That doesn't mean there's less opportunities. It means the opportunity is bigger. If you stay consistent and keep improving, the reward can change your life. So, if working remotely is your goal in 2026, don't let the lack of a degree stop you. Focus on skills, proof, and discipline. If this video helped you see remote work in a clearer way, give it a like and make sure you are subscribed for more practical South African career advice. My name is Ellek, and this is 360 Careers, helping you grow, show up, and get hired. Let's go.